everyone, how you doing? This is Tyson with MJ and Co of Quincy, and today is day 2 on 2, 3. Let's go with 2. Day 2 on getting the mulch laid. I had to get more bags, me and Billy did, and yeah, so I'm gonna take you with us as we get that done. Also, before we start, it is pretty windy outside, so I'm gonna do it sped up, and we got 12 bags last time. Well, actually 11. We were one short, but today we ended up getting 13 bags. So I got the one bag that I needed to finish up the front of the bird garden, and then I got the other 12 for the back bird garden. So that's a total of 13 plus 24 bags. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know how many there were, how many we're starting with, and the purpose for them. And yeah, now we can go and start it.